Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be replicating a flyer design for Tennessee. Let's bring in design. So this is the design we'll be replicating Tennessee branding agency. Yeah, so we'll try and do that in no distance time. So we can use a white background like this, or let's just pick from the image itself. I think it's still white. Okay, it's not entirely white, but this is this. So we actually have, okay, let's try and see, work with the background. Let me go straight to my gallery folder. So we'll be using a kind of like a patterned background. Yes, this kind of pattern like this. So yeah, we'll just do it that way. This is it. We copy this. We copy. Copy. Then you can choose to merge all of them if you want. You can merge all of them. Let's merge them. Merge. So this is our background. All we need to do is reduce the opacity. We don't want it to show much. Reduce the opacity very. Let's leave it at 10. We'll lock it. Bring this to the front. So we have we're not using this exact image, but we have option of two images. Let me bring the two images, whichever one works well. So I got this from imagefx.com. So we'll either be making use of this one, or let's bring in the second one. This. So I wanted opt-in for this one because if you look at the way this lady is positioned, you can see it's similar to this one. So we just might be working with this. It's similar to this one. So let's see. We just might be working with this. So let's lock it. Then the font to be using for this is a railway font. So let's go straight ahead and write graphics design plus branding. It's supposed to be graphic design, but I think it's supposed to be graphics design. So the font, like I said, let's change the color to black. The font to be using is railway font. So I'll be sending the font railway font. I'll be sending the font in the bold. Let's look for one this is the bold format. Let me see the medium. So let's leave this for now. I'll be making this font available in the resources. So let's put it here. Remember, I like working with my grid lines. It just helps in the alignment. So let's put this here first. Then the next one, we're writing app plus web development. Copy app plus web development. Let's leave it here first. Then we'll be writing those things in those box, SEO and then ads. SEO and ads. So we'll still be using this. We'll copy this. Writing SEO. Color will be white. Then the background color, we give the text a background. So we'll pick it from our design. I think this is it. So we'll make it this way. Let me see, 20. So 20 this way. The top, do we need to adjust the top? But let's do something for the bottom. So radius, this. So let's make it 30. 30. So reduce it. How is that now? Okay, well, let's increase it a bit size. SEO, SEO. Let's reduce the left and right padding background. So let's see 20. Let's see 20. Let's see 20. So just, I think this is okay. Take it to the top. Push it. Then we'll know from here if we need to increase the size. But something is saying I should push this up. I don't know. So let's take this up. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you're getting value, and also what kind of videos you want me to be making more of. So I might need to increase this. Let's see, 25. Okay, so let's make it 25. So alignment, thank you. Alignment is key. So we copy, then we'll make this one this color. Let's pick it from the design. Let's pick it this color. Everything but the background. We'll make it that color. Yeah, and we need to shift it. Thank you, Jesus. So then God is on the throne. Don't worry about a thing. So we'll still need to do some alignment work, but let's still copy this. Let's copy this. So copy this and place it here. So the color, we'll be changing the color. Okay, this. Let's place it here. Then we'll copy this. The color will be white. Then the background will be that dark shade. It will be the dark shade. So, okay. Let's... okay, what we'll be writing there is ads. So ads. There we have it. Yes. So let's bring this hand up a bit. So web development, let's leave it this way. Let's think this is okay. Then this, push it this way. What again? Okay, let's leave that way. Then the next thing is we bring in a shape. This shape like this. Let's make it very, very long. Let's make it very, 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 very long. Then this color will be nice. Is that the color? Or if that's, you can still trace it from the design. So this one looks lighter. Okay, yes, I think this is the color. It looks lighter. Then we'll rotate. Okay, so let's do this a bit. Then we'll rotate it. I think that is that. Yes, rotate it this way. Take it to the back, but not to the back. So it also hold it and drag it behind the lady. So we'll copy it. Then the color here will be that dark blue color. Then we'll rotate it. Think like this. Yes. And there we have it. Bring this to the front. So you can bring this down. Then you also bring this one down. So the other thing we'll put there is let's copy this. Technesis branding agency. Color will be white. The size. Branding. So branding. I'm following what the designer did. It's not the alignment there is not perfect. So let's make this bold. No. Let's go to style, make it bold. Copy it. Style. Well, let's make this one slanty. Then we'll put in agency. I might need to reduce it if need be, but I don't think there's need. So we've done that. The last thing we need to put is that branding, app dev. Okay, branding, app dev, what again? Web dev. Let's put in web dev. What's the other one there? Motion. So yeah. So branding, app dev, web dev, motion. I think that's the only thing. Okay, let's put in SEO. You see why I say we should put in SEO. So motion. So let's see. Reduce it. So We'll still need to do a lot of spacing here. So let's use a minor spacing, 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 spacing. So let's see how it is now. I think we still need more. Wow. So this is what I do sometimes. I'll copy the spacing and copy. I'll paste. I'll paste. I'll paste. I'll paste. I'll paste. So there we have it. So sorry for the noise. I had to record this now. So I hope there's nothing bold here. So we're using the rotation of this shape. So let's go and check the rotation I was used, angle 2. So we'll just rotate it also to angle 2. Text rotate. So there we do that. We've rotated it. Branding. That SEO is not supposed to be showing, but you can leave it. You'll see what we'll do with the rest of our work. So you copy this. Then the same rotation that was used for this other one here. Let's check the rotation. -15. So you do the same thing with this. -15 rotation. So yeah, so the rotation will be -15. So, but this one now will be changing the color to black. Change the color to black so that it can be seen clearly because of contrast. So it's black. What again? SEO. Yes, let's take it this way. So now we'll take this to the back, but not the back. The back of the lady, but in front of the text. And there we have it. So you could still decide to work on the background, but we'll just be using, this is just a simple background. The only thing that is remaining for us to use is that diamond star shape. So this is what we'll be doing. Yes, we'll be using this one. So you erase the background, go back to erase color. No, want the black out. So let's make this color white now. Give it a new color. Let's make it white. So you just do this. So this, all you need to do is just place it. You place it. So let's bring this text up a little bit again. So we need to rotate this the way that I was rotated 2, right? I think it's 2, so do that. Just do it this way. Copy it. Remember to always align your work. Alignment is key. So you can see that I didn't just rotate the what was it called, the text, but I also had to rotate everything so that it will be aligned like that. This diamond stamp using now, copy it, the same thing. You have to put it here. Remember, if you're designing for a client, after everything, there's what they call finishing touch, which means that you take extra time to make sure everything is done properly. For tutorial purpose, you can just say, okay, hey, I've done this. But if you are delivering an actual project for a client, make sure you settle down and do everything. So you see, I've put in the star, that's diamond star where I want it. So I can choose to merge it. I can choose to merge it. Merge. Okay, so it has been merged. I'll copy it. So instead of me doing that long process, I'll just rotate it the way this one was rotated, minus 15. So it's a challenge. Sometimes once you merge, you might not get everything. So you might just need to do it individually. So let's delete it. Let's go back. Let's go back. So I'll merge everything. We'll merge everything. Let's go back and merge everything. So we'll just do it individually. Wait, it's okay. Bring it to the middle. So just do that the way I did for all of them. You do it. Of course, you still need to rotate. Remember, minus 15, because the way it is placed. So you do that. Copy it. Okay, I think we'll just be placing it in two places. Placing it in two places, so you have it this way and that way. Then we might need to take this up a bit. So that's that. We've been able to replicate this. Then you save. You can edit on Snapseed. So thank you for watching, and let me bring this to the front so that you see clearly what we did. You can delete it or you hide this. Then you save. Always save as projects. You can write graphic projects. Project save. Okay. Then you save as image. It's always advisable you save Ultra. So with that, thank you for watching. I remain KingsleyNwankwo, and see you in our challenge tomorrow.